kids are getting ready. These are also our very young group. We have a Gopala class, which is from 3 to 5 years old. And you can see that this is our highest attended class. Lot of parents sit in this class, so it's always a very full class. Kids thoroughly enjoy this class, and it's been a lot of fun. So this is how our career path starts. The first group you saw were 3-year-olds. And just to keep them standing in their positions was a humongous task for us. These kids will do much better. They will not move from their positions, and they will actually do a very nice job. So please enjoy our next song, Jai Radha Madhav.
कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदन व्रज जन रंजन यशोदानंदन व्रज जन रंजन जमुना तीरा वनचारे जमुना तीरा वनचारे जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदनंदन व्रज जन रंजन यशोदानंदन व्रज जन रंजन जमुना तीरा वनचारे जमुना तीरा वनचारे जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare
Dancing, that was really nice. Devikishore Mataji, who recently moved to India, helped direct this dance, and Srija Mataji took over the training of the kids with the help of Priya Mataji and Diksha Mataji. The participants are Vishnu, Kusangi, Tulsipriya, Avanija, Vishnu, Mukund, Sunidhi, Aparna, Shreya, Avantika, Riya, Kashvi, and Aditi. The teachers will be taking them to the side auditorium if you want to meet them. The next dance is Chote Se Nanhe Se. Krishna and his pastimes are very